Hi guys. Ala, ang ganda ko naman sa camera na to. Charot. Masyado ko nang pinupuri ang sarili ko. You know why we're walking, Nuna? You know what's the reason? It's better to walk than to run. Hindi minamadali lahat. Buhay ay di karera. Yung kunyari jogging. 1/4 lang
We're jogging naman. Mga 25%.
Running.
Okay.
Galing. Sports complex na hindi naglalaro.
Judge ng mga tao. Hindi yung kanta ni ate kanina.
We are walking
And
while reviewing.
I'm equal to data.
Uy, ang galing naman.
Where?
Tumatakbo sila. Ay, girl pala yun?
Yeah.
Akala ko lalaki yun.
Basta magaling babae.
Uy, Sunkiss. Ang ganda naman.
Ayun, may araw. Standard form is AX plus BY equals C. So, standard form na ilalagay.
Did you see, Nuna? Have you seen? Or, ha? Ano yun? Yeah, tinignan nyo lang. Walang ano.
Kasama ka.
They were all running except us. We're just walking. Nuna told me that walking is helpful than running. After second semester, I need to.
Napakayabang.
Well, lahat naman. Uy, wala kang hiya science.
XY plus CY squared plus DX plus EY plus equals 0. Yun. Para malaman mo kung hyperbola, ellipse, paraboloid, or circle, yung isang equation. Gusto natin ang review. Sa ating dalawa, I think mas approachable.
Ha?
I'm just saying. Ito ang pagkakati.
Oo, kasi ako ano, ganyan. Anong kalakan mo?
Wow. Hindi mo gabi. Mas mataas ka sa 0. Hyperbola.
Ako?
Yung score mo.
Sabi ng kasama ko na, ilan ka? Sabi ko, kasi hindi ko masabi yung
Direct ka,
score ko.
sabi niya. Pa din. Kasi ka na perfect mo, tapos na 0 pa.
Every time na kinakausap ko si Nuna, I feel like I'm free. What?
Because we're not prisoner.
Because, I'm free to speak English even though,
Yeah. Even though it's not correct. we're
grammatically
both,
correct.
We're both exercising our grammar.
Yeah. And that's good. Because you have a friend that never
It's
judge
fine
you.
to me na hindi ako gano'ng kagaling ng English, but it's a shameful because her grandmother is an English teacher.
Ay!
Kapang ba ng ganito si Sher?
Excuse me. Mag-yoga na lang ako pag-uwi.
Factor. B is yung bucket volume. B is bucket fill factor. And E is job efficiency.
Hala. You're so bad sa ina. Your friend is studying while you were talking to her. Nakakaya naman mag-video. Ha? Nakailang laps na tayo tapos ngayon ka lang mahihiya mag-video.
Ah,
Uy, in fairness, kahit naglalakad, napapawisan.